Hey there, future Python pros. Welcome back to Programming and Coding Explained, the channel where we simplify the world of programming and help you turn your skills into opportunities. Today, we're diving into a big question. What kind of jobs use Python? Python isn't just a popular language for beginners, it's a powerhouse in the tech world. From data science to web development and everything in between, Python is opening doors to exciting, high-paying careers across industries. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of the types of jobs that use Python and how you can start building the skills to land one of them. Let's get started. Before we jump into specific job roles, let's talk about why Python is so widely used. Versatility. Python can be used for web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, app development, and more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. Ease of use. Python's simple and readable syntax makes it accessible for beginners while still being powerful enough for advanced projects. Huge ecosystem. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks save developers time and effort, making it a favorite in fast-paced industries. Community support. Python has one of the largest and most active communities, which means there are endless resources, tutorials, and tools to help you learn. Because of these qualities, Python has become a go-to language for a wide range of jobs. Now let's explore some of the most popular ones. Here are the top jobs that rely on Python and what they involve. Number 1, data scientist. What they do. Data scientists analyze large data sets to uncover trends, make predictions, and solve business problems. Python is their language of choice because of libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, which make data analysis and visualization easy. Why Python is perfect? Tools like TensorFlow and scikit-learn allow data scientists to build machine learning models with Python. Average salary. Data scientists earn between $90,000 and $130,000 per year, with senior roles going even higher. If you're fascinated by numbers and love finding patterns, this could be the perfect Python job for you. Number 2, machine learning engineer. What they do. Machine learning engineers build systems that can learn from data, such as recommendation systems, image recognition software, or chatbots. Why Python is perfect? Python libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras make it easy to design, train, and deploy machine learning models. Average salary. Expect to earn $100,000 to $150,000 per year, depending on your experience and the complexity of the systems you're building. If AI and cutting-edge technology excite you, machine learning is one of the hottest fields to explore with Python. Number 3, web developer. What they do. Web developers design and build websites and web applications. Using Python frameworks like Django and Flask, they create dynamic, scalable, and secure websites. Why Python is perfect? Python's simplicity allows developers to focus on building features quickly, while its frameworks handle things like user authentication and database management. Average salary. Web developers earn between $60,000 and $120,000 per year, with full-stack developers on the higher end of the range. If you're creative and enjoy building interactive experiences, web development is a fantastic career option. Number 4, Python developer. What they do. Python developers are generalists who work on a variety of Python-based projects. This can include writing scripts, automating processes, or even building desktop applications. Why Python is perfect? Python's flexibility means you can work on anything from small scripts to large-scale software systems. Average salary. Python developers typically earn between $80,000 and $120,000 per year. If you enjoy solving diverse problems and want a broad range of projects, becoming a Python developer is a great path. Number 5, automation engineer. What they do. Automation engineers use Python to create scripts that automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry, testing software, or sending emails. Why Python is perfect. Python is ideal for automation because of its simplicity and libraries like Selenium and PyAuto GUI. Average salary. Automation engineers earn around $70,000 to $100,000 per year. If you love making life easier by automating tedious tasks, this role is for you. Number 6. Cybersecurity analyst. What they do. Cybersecurity analysts use Python to detect vulnerabilities, build security tools, and automate security processes. Why Python is perfect. Python can quickly analyze logs, simulate attacks, or even automate threat detection. Average salary. Cybersecurity analysts earn between $80,000 and $120,000 per year. If you're passionate about protecting systems and data, Python can be your secret weapon in cybersecurity. Number 7. Game developer. What they do. Game developers design and build video games. While Python isn't the first choice for high-end games, it's great for indie and mobile games. Why Python is perfect. Python frameworks like Pygame make it easy to develop simple 2D games. Average salary. Game developers earn between $60,000 and $110,000 per year, with more for experienced developers. If you love gaming and want to bring your own creations to life, Python is a great starting point. Number 8. Financial analyst. What they do. Financial analysts use Python to analyze financial data, build models, and make predictions. Why Python is perfect. Python's data manipulation libraries like Pandas and NumPy are perfect for handling large datasets quickly and accurately. Average salary. Financial analysts using Python can earn $70,000 to $120,000 per year. If you're interested in numbers, markets, and money, this role combines finance and programming beautifully. Here's the exciting part. All of these jobs have one thing in common. They're high in demand and offer excellent salaries, and Python is your gateway to these incredible opportunities. Python opens doors everywhere. Python is one of the most in-demand programming languages today. By learning Python, you're equipping yourself with a skill that's sought after in industries ranging from tech to finance to healthcare. Python is beginner-friendly. You don't need a computer science degree or years of experience to get started. Python's simplicity makes it the perfect first language for beginners. Every step you take, whether it's writing a simple script or building your first app, brings you closer to landing your dream job. As technology continues to grow, Python's popularity isn't going anywhere. Fields like AI, machine learning, and automation are expanding rapidly, and Python is at the heart of it all. Remember this, the programming skills you're learning now aren't just for a job, they're for a career. Every line of code you write is an investment in yourself and your future. So what kind of jobs use Python? From data science to web development, machine learning to automation, Python is everywhere. The best part? There's a Python job out there for every interest and passion. If this video inspired you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Programming and Coding Explained for more beginner-friendly programming tips and career advice. And let me know in the comments, which Python-powered job are you most excited about? I'd love to hear your thoughts and cheer you on as you work toward your goals. Until next time, keep learning, keep coding, and keep dreaming big. Your future in Python is waiting. Go grab it.